everyone, welcome back. My name is Kirsten of Redfield Crafts. Today is Friday, March 12th, 2021. It's Friday! Who's excited that it's Friday? I am. Not really. So this past week has been pretty uneventful. It's been spring break for my kids, so we've pretty much just been hanging out around the house, going to a couple parks here and there. It's mostly the state park that we've been going to because we bought the year-long season pass for the state park. And the one good thing about the Texas season pass for the state park is it's not just good for the state park that's in your town or whatever. It's good for all of the state parks in all of Texas, which is amazing. So we've been to the park, the state park here, probably several times already, and it's pretty much paid for the season pass. So yeah, that's the main thing that we've been doing, just going there, going on a couple hour hike, just to get the kids out of the house so they're not constantly stuck on electronics all day long. So haven't really done any real big projects. They have been mostly small, easy, manageable, quick projects that I've been working on. First thing, I am wearing it. Now, if you didn't see my last video that I put up showing off my everyday cardigan, I will leave that linked down below in the description box. But if you seen my last yarn chat video, I was pretty much done making everything for my cardigan. I just had to assemble some stuff, but I finished it. I'm gonna try and scoot up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but it's done. Love it. Love it. I've pretty much been wearing this non-stop since I finished making it. And it's got leaves all over it from the dog outside. But yeah, this pattern is by Ashley over at Sewrella.com. I will leave a link down below if you are interested in this pattern to her written pattern and her video tutorial that she has for this. Definitely beginner friendly, super easy. All it is half double crochets for the main body and the sleeves, and then for the cuffs and the collar, it's just front post, back post, double crochets. Super easy. Love this. I'm going to be making another one for me. I have to make one for my mom for Christmas. And then just yesterday, my daughter asked me to make her one. So, 3 more to do. If you don't remember, I used Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek Low Pill Fiber yarn. It is 100% low pill acrylic yarn. This ball was 5 ounces, or it had 232 yards. And this is what I have left of, how many did I use? I think this is 6 of them, and I did the size large. I go into more detail about it in the video where I showed this off. So if you want to know what I did to change it up, go check that out. I'll leave it down below. So yeah, that was the first thing that I had finished. The next thing, if you remember, I made a couple toy hammocks for my daughter for her room. I used the Lauren Natural Baby yarn in pink. So I did 2 of those, and then I was like, you know what, I'm going to make a couple for my son because he has quite a bit of stuffed animals too. Not as much. His are a little bit bigger than hers. So I made, I'll just hold it up like this. I made 2 for his room. Now these are the exact same thing. So with the little loops on the ends. one down here. I haven't sewn in my ends on these, and I'm not going to because I'm just gonna weave them kind of through the window portion of the thing. But this is my son's. I'll hold it up a little bit closer so you can see. It's green and blue mixed together because that's the colors that he wanted, because he said they remind him of, I think it was Squirtle? No, Bulbasaur? I don't know, some Pokemon. So I made 2 for him. I used Lauren Natural Baby yarn for his too. These are 15% polyester, 85% cotton in these balls, blue and green. Do they have a color name on them? No, they just have a lot number and color number. My bag ripped on me. So yeah, for these 2, I used, let's see, like 2.5 balls to eat, or 2.5 balls total. Oh, that bag completely ripped on that. And this is all that I have left from the 3rd ball of making these 2. The only reason why I have so much more for his is because I didn't make them as big as my daughter's, because these are mostly cotton. They're gonna stretch, so I just did them a little bit smaller. Doesn't need anything really big anyways for his room. So this is what I have left of his. Okay, next. Wow, I'm really going through my finished objects quickly, huh? So the next thing was, I had gotten, well, yeah, I'll just use that one right there. I had gotten some of this Premier Just Cotton yarn from the Dollar Tree. It is 104 yards in each of these little balls. 85% cotton, 15% polyester. They classify it as a size 4 worsted weight cotton. So I made some coffee cup coasters. And this is what it looks like. Let's go that side. I made 1, 2, 3. I made 4 of them. I only have 3 right here with me. The 4th one is actually on my coffee table under my cup right now. So yeah, made 4 of these. And this is what I have left from 1 ball. So I could easily get a fifth coaster out of this. So out of one of these, you can get 5 coffee cup coasters. So I had used grape, and then the brown, which is called chocolate. And this is what I have left of the brown. Definitely gonna be making more of these. These took me maybe an hour to do all 4. Super quick, super easy. Again, these are pretty much all, what is it? Was it single or half? I think these were half double crochet. If I can find the tutorial that I used, I will link it down below. I can't remember who it was by, but super quick, super easy to do. Is that. And the next thing, and the last finished object that I have, is I wanted to create something, for St. Patrick's Day, because that is coming up. That is next Wednesday? Tuesday? Next Wednesday. I don't know. Wednesday or Tuesday. So I was searching on Pinterest for things to do for St. Patrick's Day, and there is quite a few, and I couldn't make up my mind on what I wanted. But I did know that I wanted to do some of those like wall hangings to hang on the wall, just for a little decoration here and there. So what I did is I made a corner to corner shamrock wall hanging. Now right now it's just the square. I haven't done the little things to hang it onto anything, but that is my little shamrock. So pretty, I like it, I love it. Came out really good. This was quick as well. I think this took me 1 day, maybe a day to do. I don't remember. So I do my corner to corners a little bit differently. Did I use? Sometimes I do the sorry for the noise. My kids are playing video games. Sometimes I use like the mini corner to corner, which is just half double crochets, and you chain 5 and then half double crochet in the bottom 3. But for this, I did regular double crochets, but instead of chaining 6 to start, I chained 5, only because I wanted the holes between each block smaller. So that is what I did. But I like this. It's really cute. The yarn that I used, I just pulled some of my Big Twist acrylic yarn. Wow, that blew that out. I used the colors forest green and then just white. Wow, that white is getting blown out. I don't know where to go. There we go. There you go. So yeah, I used that, and as you can see, it probably used, wow, a third of the ball to make this. So yeah. And for that, oh, I didn't even say, shoot. For the wall hangings, or the toy hammocks, I used a 6mm crochet hook. For the coffee cup coasters, I used a 5mm crochet hook. And for the Shamrock wall hanging, I used a 5.5mm crochet hook. Yeah. Forgot to mention that. So yeah, that is pretty much, that is all that I have completed this past week and a half. Has it been a week and a half? Something like that. So yeah. Now I get to work on some fun spring projects. I do want to do an Easter wall hanging, and I do have one in mind. I just gotta figure out what colors I want to use for it. I want to, it's gonna be a bunny, the bunny ones where you just see like the back of the bunny with the little bunny tail. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, can't wait to start that. But right now, because I just wanted something mindless to do today, I started to do just a regular corner to corner blanket, and I'm doing it the way that I like, where the holes aren't very big between the blocks, so I'm just chaining 5 and then double crocheting in the bottom 3 chains. I am using, let me get it. I am using Lion Brand Textures yarn right here. So this color is called Ocean Waves. Right there, and if you like open up, can you see? Open it, it's got like darker greens, kind of hard to see right here. These are 3-ounce balls, 149 yards, number 4 worsted weight yarn, 90% acrylic, 10% nylon. Machine wash cold, tumble dry gentle, made in Turkey. I've had this yarn in my stash for, I think, coming on 4 years now. I got this when Lion Brand was having their, I think, 10 for 10 sale when we first got to Italy, and I bought like 5 in this color, and then I got 5 in this color right here, which is Sun Rays. So I tried using this yarn I don't know how many times, and I absolutely hated working with it. Hated it. I even tried to use this on my Addie knitting machine, but for some reason my Addie did not like this, so it just kept on dropping stitches and all that fun stuff. So I, balled it back up and just put it aside and just like had it sitting there, and I've been wanting to use it so I can use it up and get it gone. So I decided to do a corner to corner blanket with it. Now I just started this morning, and let me see, that is as much as I've gotten done. So here, this gives you a better way to see the colors that are in this. So it's got that nice light blues to like it's kind of like a aqua. It's kind of hard to see. My camera's lighting is really bad today. Hold it, there we go. I got those like dark greens and grays. It's really pretty colors. I do like the way this is working up, but I hate crocheting with this yarn. It reminds me of like a mini homespun. Now I like the regular homespun yarn, mainly because I use really simple stitches where I can just go into the gaps. I don't like this one. That's why I'm trying to use it up and get it gone. Now I do have a question for you guys. I have 5 balls of each color. In this part right here, I am 2 and almost a half balls into it. And I am wondering if I should just continue with the 5 balls of this color, and then when those are gone, switch to finish it out in this color. Or if I should now do 2 and a half of this color, then do like all 5 of these, and then end with the last 2 and a half of this. I don't know. I want to use all of these together in one blanket. I'm not sure on how I want to do the color combos. I'm thinking I might want to just do all 5 of the Ocean Wave one and then start to decrease with the Sunray one. Kind of give it like the sun on top and then ocean. I might do that. The ocean blue in the bottom. Kind of like that idea actually. I don't know. What do you guys think? If you have an opinion on it, on which way I should do it, leave me a comment down below, and I'm really curious to see what you guys think. Because I don't know. But that is it. That is all that I have to share with you guys. Not a whole heck of a lot. Yeah. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Friday, a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, everybody.